What is so cool about manufacturing?
Hi, I'm Madison. And I'm Charlotte, and welcome to Napoleon Engineering Services.
So I'm Chris Napoleon. I'm the President and Chief Engineer of Napoleon Engineering Services. We're the manufacturer of custom bearings for the aerospace industry. We might make bearings, but it's the applications they go in that bring them to life. This particular bearing goes into the transmission of a Bell helicopter. That's pretty cool. The one below it goes onto the International Space Station. That's cool.
So what is so cool about NES's manufacturing?
We're taking raw materials and turning them into really high precision, really high-end parts with really interesting materials and sending them all over the globe.
Hi, I'm Pingitore. I specialize in hard tuning of custom bearing products. This is one of our newest pieces of equipment. Very high precision.
Hi, I'm Dan Moore. This station, you take rough stock, put it in the machine to make, in this case, inner rings for customer.
So we're in our metallurgist lab. Customers have sent product in, and the product has failed.
So they send it to us so we can tell them what's wrong with this bearing or why did it fail so quickly.
Hi, my name is Delaney. I'm a metallographer here at Napoleon Engineering Services, and I also do quality control.
Our testing isn't just one cookie cutter, this is how you do it. We have to innovate. A lot of the machinists have 2-year trade degrees. So, whereas a lot of the engineers that are here, we all have maybe 2 or 4-year engineering degrees.
What's so cool about manufacturing is taking a piece of raw material and turning it into something that your mind can only imagine.
The skills needed for my job, technique, math, and just machining skills, a trade school.
So what did we find out? NES's bearings are literally out of this world.
And companies like NES need mathematical, innovative, creative designers like you.
Are we magical or am I magical?